Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a simple and stunning nail art design using just a toothpick. It will hardly take a few seconds and it will look amazing on your nails. So let's do it. Apply your first layer of gel polish. We won't be using a second layer of gel polish. So make sure to apply a thick first layer to create the design. For this video and all my videos, I only use gel polish, not regular polish. It's important to note this because some people get confused. Next we are going to use a second gel polish. I'm using white, but you can choose any color you like. Just make sure it's lighter if your base color is dark. Apply 4 lines starting from the corner of the nail as you can see in the video. Make 2 lines thin and 2 like thick, but feel free to adjust based on your preference. Once you have placed the line, take a toothpick and start from the middle of the nail where the lines don't touch. From there, make a continuous circle without lifting the toothpick. As you reach the edge of the nail, the circle won't be complete because the nail tip is wider. In this case, just make a C shape on the top and the bottom of the nail. This will give the similar look. Once you have finished the design, place your nails under UV light for 30 seconds to let the gel polish dry. Then apply a top shiny coat all over the entire nail, making sure not to leave any part untouched. If you miss a spot, it will look uneven and that part will remain sticky. Ensure the top coat is applied evenly across the whole nail. After that, cure it under UV light for another 30 seconds to let it dry completely, and it's done. If you enjoyed watching my videos, do like, share, subscribe to my channel and stay updated about more such videos in future. Thank you so much for your support and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.